Alright guys and girls, so today I gotta replace some clips for my door rod actuators. Let me just check. See, so I hit the unlock and lock. This one doesn't work, but that one does. So I have to replace the clips for the rod because this clip is the wrong clip, because it's holding the rod too tight, so it's not allowing the switch to cycle. Anyway, I gotta pull this panel off and we'll get to it. All right, so in order to get to those clips, I have to remove the door panel, in which removed all the shit from the little pocket. And now I have to access behind here. Pop that off. Pop that off. And then you have to remove the switch panel. Just pops off. I already removed the wires from the back. And then you have to get under the handle. There's a bolt, boop, right there. Remove that with a 7mm on a nut driver. Pull that off real quick. Sorry, I don't have a camera guy to help, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me for a second. I should have got a drill for this, but goddamn, this bolt is long as shit, man. Damn it. Hold on. Boop. Now that you got that bolt out, go over here to this corner behind the mirror. It has a couple clips, and then it slides up. You have a clip at the corner and at the bottom edge, and then that little hook on the bottom hooks in there, and then it clips in. So now that I got everything unbolted, I believe, I don't know if this is this is a lift up panel. It's pretty cool. Shit. Pause. Alright, so got the panel off. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna remove just a little bit of the barrier. Pull this up. Sorry, trying to fold all of this into itself so it can stay there. Just like so. Just crunch it up into a ball, hide it behind the handle. Now I have to figure out that one, that rod. Comes down, there, and then it goes behind the panel right there. But what I gotta do is remove and replace. Which one is it? Give me a second, I'll find it. Now, this is why you diagnose stuff. So it's not the clip that's the issue. I figured it out, guys. It's the rod. It's bent up so it doesn't slide through this clip properly. So what I'm gonna do is just bend that back straight, then we'll be good. But since I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and deaden this door a little bit more. Yeah. So I got some sound deadener warming up in the sun. I gotta clean the inside of the panel and then cut and lay it in. I'm just doing what I can to keep me busy, keep this head from splattering on the wall. Peace out, guys. You see? So this is how my life goes. I reinstalled the door panel because it's not the clips or anything. It's actually the door lock actuator on the side. It's going out. It doesn't have enough strength to push the rod. So back together it goes. I did actually, while I was in there, I sound deadened the panel as well. Figured since I'm already in there and I already have it, might as well just do it, right? So I'm just putting the panel back together. Upside down, backwards. Bada bing, bada boom. So the door is fully deadened, not fully like completely covered, but the bottom section of the door, and then I got 2 more patches up here just to help with the sound. So yeah, that's how my day goes, dude. I start off with a plan. Oh, I'm gonna do this, do a video, whatnot, whatever, right? And then fucking that shit happens where it happens to not be what I need to be doing. So I do something else. And then I can't pick up where I left off with videoing it because it didn't go right. You know what I mean? It's just since I didn't record the front, let's record the back. I'm gonna put that screw in there real quick. All right, so pulled off the door panel to the 4th door on the Silverado. I got some Dawn and water in a spray and a spray bottle. I rinsed the back of the panel. Now I'm getting in there, drying it off. Just like so. Now, see how many? Oh, I just got one right here. So now, make this. I could do that. Stack them like that. Damn, getting all cut up, man. Anyway. Oh! God damn, it's windy. Alright, let me pause that. Oh yeah, got that whole door deadened. Well, this section and that section. Because obviously I'm not gonna pull the glass to try and get behind that or over there. So I got back door, boop, back door, front door, both deaded on the driver. Now I gotta go to the passenger side so that I can do the same to that side, obviously. So be right back. All right, boys and girls. So turned out not to be the rod clip. I need to replace the lock actuator on the driver's side door. So I'll get to that whenever I get funds. Anyway, while I had the door disassembled, I ended up just deadening all the doors except for the passenger door because I ran out of material. But I'll get more when I decide to, excuse me. Damn, I got the burps. Anyway, I'll do that door when I get more because I'm gonna end up deadening the floor. I'm not gonna do the back wall because I like seeing the back window shake whenever it bumps. Anyway, boop, boop, boop. Yeah, that's all I did. I do need to get that engine out of my backyard, clean all that up. Gives me something to do. I think I'm going to keep that front drive assembly for the S10. I don't know. I still have to figure. I have to think about everything. But anyway, that's what I got done. I'll take it to the car wash, vacuum it out, and then I don't know. That's pretty much it. Give you guys a little test bump of the 2.8s on 500 watts. Peace.